outstanding low mileage top of the range, 24 plate, Ford Ranger Platinum with 3-litre V6 diesel engine, VAT qualifying, with high specification, finished in carbonized grey metallic with electric memory heated and cooling seats, covered in full premium platinum embossed leather upholstery, covered only 2,319 miles, fitted with £3,480 worth of optional extras to include Technology Pack 73, factory-fitted electric roll cover with bedliner, 18-inch alloy wheels, blind spot monitoring, supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 7th of July 2027. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days, 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors and advanced automated self-park system, advanced four-wheel drive system, with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.